This is a 1979 Ford F250 crew cab on a brand new four-wheel drive chassis. Hey guys, this is one of those projects where we have gotten in deep into the middle of this one. And so we've kind of decided before we got too far down with putting all this stuff together on the chassis that we just want to make sure everything lines up, mocks up, everything's good on the chassis, and kind of clean it up. So we're working through these inner fenders. Now, this center fender would have actually come up here, connected in here, and would have worked great. We would have just trimmed this up, but the reality is we didn't want to use the original hood hinges because they actually kind of suck. And so what we decided to do was lower this down so it didn't like block your view looking inside, because this is going to have a Megazilla engine in it, so it's pretty cool, and we want people to be able to see into it, right? And so we knocked this down. The guys are working through here. They're obviously trying to get this, you know, designed and fit up. He hasn't finished this side. He's kind of worked through this, trying to keep them as factory looking as he can, but yet at the same time also we've been cleaning up a lot of rust. This thing had, I think we showed this video, it had a lot of rust, unbeknownst to any of us and the owner. When he obviously bought this online at an auction, they didn't disclose that they shoved toilet paper in there with some Bondo to paint over. They didn't say that. I don't know why they didn't say that. That's kind of weird. They wouldn't just kind of let him know that. But anyway, so Ray's done a great job. He's been cleaning it all up, fixing some things. We still got a little bit more work to do, and we've got a brand new bed by AMD. So let me see if I can get out of this little cage and come over and show you. Oh, my back. Anyway, so all right, so we got this, a lot of things have been fixing up here, little rust spots and everything, fixing a lot of the stuff up here. Brand new AMD bed. Very, very helpful for us, right? To just be able to purchase a bed and put this together and kind of get it all welded up, get it fitting. Of course, we got the original tailgate, which we believe is still good. And this will all go out and get cleaned up, media blasted, epoxy primered. We're just trying to get as much like garbage and stuff finished now, so there's a little bit less stripping down to the metal later. Really excited. We're going to be doing a lot of like custom trim on it, custom mirrors, custom door handles, custom emblems, a lot of nice features out of billet that will be coming into this. So hopefully things that we'll have online, they'll be reasonably priced. That's all relative to how much it costs to make it. But it definitely won't be made in China pricing, so it'll be a little different. So anyways, but we got some cool stuff that we're coming out with for this. Really excited. We're trying to march this through and as quickly as we can, and we're getting really close. Hopefully, you know, in another month it's off to the body shop. So we got a lot of projects in the body shop right now, so we're trying to like get this as far as we can, and we're excited about it. So we're at 1966. This one's about ready to go to the body shop as well. A little quick you know, view of this. This one's going to be really nice. We got a tonneau cover on it from Pro's Pick. So we got a little electric tonneau cover, and yeah, we got some bucket seats. It's going to have a super nice interior, really like dark cherry, real dark cherry. A lot of pearl in it. It's going to be super pretty. He saw that 1956 truck we did called Merlot, and so drove, as soon as he saw that video, he jumped in his truck, drove straight here and said, I want you guys to build my 1966, right? So that was actually kind of cool. So really excited to get this one moved over into the body shop, and a few little projects coming up. Got another 1956 panel, really excited. We got another 1956 here. More rust than, you know, look at it. The roof's all off of it, and we got some more rust there, and you know, another dent side over there to get started on. So a lot of projects going on, and really excited about it. So happy to have you guys follow along. Please like, subscribe, stay up to date with all these projects. A lot of things going on, super fun stuff that's happening here, and enjoying hot rodding yourself. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you actually have things you want to see or you want to learn about, go ahead and leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to do what we can to get you more information on some of these projects. Until then, we will see you next time.